actually. Any comment on my eBay? Come, I can show you. Hot selling product. Many people ask hot selling product. I know hot selling product. I have hot selling product. I can show you. Come to my video. Come to my video. Take button, this button, click that button. Subscribe button. Show you hot selling product. Deal. Business. Deal. Okay. You click button. I click product. Okay. Come on.
Hello, I'm Andrew and welcome to the 5-star dropshipping tribe and channel that aims to educate you on your eBay journey in a progressive way. Throughout those videos I want to help you to get more sales, more money and more of the lifestyle you always wanted to live. And if you are the international, welcome to my channel because I'm international myself. Once I was living back over there in the East Europe, now I'm living in Canada, just because of the dropshipping. I'm not the perfect guy, no, not the one of those guys who is the superstar or claim to be a millionaire. I have been suspended twice. I have been learning a lot of them based on the mistakes. But what I'm gonna share with you guys is probably the things nobody shares with you. And just because they consider to be kind of like, secrets. And secrets nobody really likes to share. Dirty tricks what some people are using, and I really hope you are gonna put the questions in the comments, because your comments are gonna help me to address your questions and answer. Sometimes I'm gonna make out of them even the videos. Don't expect me to make you rich in 1 week. It's not happening. I'm not doing such a things, but I will share with you what I have been doing, why I have been successfully making 6-figure income earners, my students, why I have students all around the world right now who just quit their jobs and just do full-time eBay dropshipping. Of course, I know there is all sorts of different opinions about eBay and dropshipping, and it's okay, it's absolutely okay. Somebody choose to do Shopify, somebody choose to do some Oberlo or whatever it is out there. Everybody has their own niche, right? So this is my niche. I know how to do eBay, Amazon, eBay, both ways, because I'm the seller on Amazon as well. I have my own products, I have my people, I have my members, my students who are shipping my products from Amazon. And I'm teaching all those things, what you can do, how you can avoid to be suspended, not even suspended, but how you can avoid to be restricted. Some people out there are so loud and so negative about the things, about the dropshipping. It's okay. And some more things what I want you to know about me is I'm not affiliating any paid tools. I'm not affiliating any software. Manual dropshipping is the value. Already 2 years ago I started this. When I created my $7.99 program, it was all about manual listing. Not to be overwhelmed with the listings on eBay, but just do constructive listings. Put products in a constructive way. Price them in a constructive way with the purpose in mind. Everybody wants this. It's a progress. You choose the products, the right products for the right price to gain the profit in a progressive way. This is the motto and vision for my company. And if you would like to learn something, some bad things what I did, some great tips what I did and what we implement, you are welcome to click that button here below there in the corner and subscribe, and see you inside.
What I'm doing here? I'm looking, traffic, no traffic. How to find product, how to find keyword, how to find picture. Everybody need toilet paper. I am a Batman. No, not Batman, Batman. It's a Batman, Batman, not Batman. And again, how to find title? Toilet paper best. Okay, good. 4. I cannot find any product to list. If you want a hot selling product, you need be careful, friend with eBay Casino. But if you want to be rich, I can show you how to drop ship and grow rich. Hot selling product. You click button, I click product. Okay? Come on. I can tell you one secret today. Secret. Still title, still product, no good. I'll show you what to do with bad guy. Think. Baby, grandpa, everybody need toilet paper. Oh. And if you have any questions, please put in the comments, because I read the comments and as humanly possible I answer the comments, and those comments will gonna help me to make another video, because I know that you need an answer, you are looking for the answer, and I'm here on this channel to give you the answer, to give you my knowledge, my experience for you. See you inside my videos.